All right, let's just start taking derivatives. The first derivative of the blue part and the green part is cosine of x, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So minus a negative sign is plus sine. All right, second derivative. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, and the derivative of sine is cosine. Check. Is the original function the same as the first derivative? No. Is the original function the same as the second derivative? No. So continue. Third derivative? Derivative of the opposite of sine of x is the opposite of cosine x. And the derivative of cosine of x is a negative sine of x. Is that the same as the original? Nope. Positive sign, negative sign. Keep going. Here we go. Fourth derivative. So we can write this like this. The fourth derivative of x is, so the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So the opposite of a negative sign is positive sine. And the derivative of sine is cosine. Is this the same as the original? There it is. The fourth derivative is the same as the original function.